When we committed to this mobile gear exchange pilot program, we listened to the troops, and there was an overwhelming request that our firefighters receive their original gear back. While this ask creates several added logistical steps, we were determined to build it into the process and successfully address these challenges. Getting your original gear back will take some time, but will be handled as quickly as possible. For you to understand the time commitment, let's speak about what happens after Decon 1 collects your gear from the fire scene. In the last video, Decon 1 was safely loaded with your bagged original gear from the fire scene. Decon 1 will next make its way to support services to transfer this gear to support services staff for processing. On arrival, our support services staff will record receipt of the gear using their orange labels that you have provided, and then stage the gear to be sent to our independent service provider. Currently, they are located in Miami. Getting your gear to the ISP could take up to a week to accomplish. Once the bagged gear is received by the ISP, they will begin a full NFPA 1851 compliant advanced cleaning and inspection on each component of your original gear. If the inspection uncovers a need for repairs, these will also be handled during the process. This compliance process could take 2 to 3 additional weeks to accomplish, but keep in mind the timeframes are all fluid and could be much better than that, or sometimes longer, based on a number of factors.
Once the ISP has fully and professionally processed your original gear, they will package it and ship it back to support services. Support services, in turn, will record the NFPA 1851 compliance for each set of gear, then stage it for delivery back to you. Support services will check telestaff in the morning and connect with you at your station sometime during your shift. It's important to note that the delivery back to you has to be done as a one-for-one exchange, meaning the support services employee will contact you to deliver your original gear in exchange for the loaner gear that you received.
When they connect, you will be receiving your original gear and returning the following: the loaner coat, pants, belt, and suspenders. You will keep your hood and gloves. We understand that this pilot program is still in transition, and there are times that Decon 1 will not always arrive on every fire scene, like if 2 fires occur at the same time. And as such, it is important to use the correct label when returning the loaner gear, as it will be in one of 2 conditions: a yellow label, basically sweaty gear, and ready to be fully laundered in-house at Station 42 by the Decon techs, or an orange label, gear that has been exposed to products of combustion and will require a full NFPA 1851 cleaning by our independent service provider. Before the support services employee leaves, you shall inspect your original gear and confirm it is completely assembled and operationally ready. After the return of your original gear, we are asking that you complete a second survey. Again, we appreciate your cooperation in completing these surveys, as they will no doubt serve as an avenue for continued improvement. In the coming months, we will be doing a series of FACE coffee talks that will review more specifics. This will give us the opportunity to address questions from the field and advise on any changes or tweaks we have to make to the process. In closing, we are grateful to have the support of Local 2928, our administration, and the leadership of Chief Kennedy. Thank you, Chief.